Alright, so I received a new parcel from AliExpress which I'm showing you. Either because I'm a first time user or due to some offer I got one. Wow! This was from Lenovo, specifically the Lenovo T53 Pro Max earbuds, which are a truly impressive and high quality audio device. It's available for just $3, which is an incredibly affordable price considering its excellent features and performance. That's only about 9 or 10 dirhams. I'll tell you the exact price. I don't remember, but just check the bill. So now it's time to unbox it. Let's see what it looks like. I was a bit confused about what this is. I was also a little worried about whether the product would actually arrive because there are some sellers on AliExpress who offer things at very low prices but don't deliver the product. So I was a bit anxious, but I was confident that if I didn't receive the product, AliExpress would refund my money. So in the end, I bought it because it was only 10 dirhams. So let's open it up. There is no documentation or anything else inside, but I did get some extra earbud rubber tips. Alright, I'm not showing you that right now. It's a simple thing, and as a result the USB-C charging port is of very standard quality. Now let's open up our main device. Its actual and real price is about 30 dirhams. That's really not expensive at all. But wow, I got it for just 10 dirhams. Wow, it looks really amazing. Honestly, it's really good. It truly looks great. Now I'll check the call and sound quality. Then I'll make another review. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this unboxing video and will continue to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel for the next video. If you want, I can make it more detailed. Otherwise, I'll keep posting these kind of videos on my channel. So thank you very much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.